Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's tap on the display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the sleep option, and let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest one, which simply means never, so your device will never black out. All you have to do in order to change the sleep option is to tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.